Subscribe to Digital Danny YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for latest tech news around the world. Welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel where we tell you about latest gadgets, tech tips, quick hacks and a lot more. So let's start the video. Hello friends, welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can quickly save any website and you can view it anytime you want. You can just bookmark that image onto your iPhone. So what I'll do is I'll open Safari, and when you open Safari you have to type any website which you like. I'll write abcnews.com. So when I open this website, I will just open this website and I will go this option. Okay, and when you go on this option you have to just click on this option, add to home screen. So when you click add to home screen, you can type any name you want. I'll keep it like this. Okay, and you have to press OK. So here you will see that this website name is now become an icon on your phone, so ABC News. So I don't have to go directly on Safari. I can just click over here and I can directly reach to the website which I frequently view. You can add Facebook, you can add any news website or anything which is helpful for you. So this is a quick video to save your time. You don't have to go into Safari again and again and type the website. You can quickly save that on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our channel, please subscribe to it. Also, please check out these cool videos which we have made for you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.